Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, August 7th, 2017. This is what's going on right now. The Dow Jones Industrial Average may actually close higher today, making yet another record run. That would be 9 in a row. It's pretty profound, but let's take a couple of other things into account here. We have not seen the S&P 500 follow, nor the NASDAQ. These two major indices have kind of been at the flat line for a while. What nobody is talking about out here, and I wrote an article just yesterday on my Steam It blog, is how the Dow transports have sold off fast and hard since the middle of July. Now, again, I wrote an article yesterday on Steam It. I hope you're following my Steam It blog. There's a link in the description of this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, you should check it out. I read a lot of important articles there. Okay, with that out of the way, I had said in that article that the Dow transports, if we got a rebound in the Dow transports, which is happening right now, believe it or not, this can push stocks even higher than they are right now, referring to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Again, the other two major indices, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, have been lacking. Tech has been under some pressure lately, but I think that's about to change. And I want to talk about that too. Let's talk about a couple of other things first. The US dollar is struggling, trying to power higher here. I think there's a potential for that. And I've been talking about this for about a week now, and I've also been outlining for you the tumble that the dollar has been involved in now for months upon months. So, I still believe the dollar has the potential to rebound here. That has the potential to put pressure on the paper derivatives of gold and silver, SLV and GLD. Again, I wrote an article today on Steam It covering these things. Please pay attention to this stuff here. So we could see a dollar rebound over the next several days, maybe a week, some pressure on precious metals as well. Keep an eye on this. Now back to the stock market real quick. Dow transports appear to be rebounding here. And again, we have yet to see the S&P 500 nor the NASDAQ follow the Dow higher. Watch for a rebound here with regard to the tech sector. This could play out over the next few days, maybe even today. Right now, it is not doing much of anything. But I think we need to keep this on our radar because there's all kinds of cash to be made here. And that's what this is all about, opportunity. However you want to look at it. If you want to look at this from a stacking standpoint, good. Let the market, the paper derivative, bleed off a little bit with regard to gold and silver, buy lower. You could even trade these things if you wanted to, although you know how I feel about that. They're not real. Very difficult to get involved with SLV and GLD. With the market, watch tech. I think there's a potential here for a rebound, and because of the Dow transports, it's going to push everything higher with it, so we could continue to see record after record after record with regard to this market, which I told you was coming. Don't you remember this? How many of you out here remember me saying the last time Janet Yellen flipped from being more hawkish to dovish? I said this market was going to hit record after record. I am on public record saying that, and this is exactly what has happened. Record after record after record. And if the Dow transports continue to bounce here, we are going to get record after record after record again. And tech has been pushing this market higher for quite a while. We got a little pullback here, and I think if things kind of play out the way they are, we could see a nice rip higher with regard to the tech sector. With that said, I'm going to let you all go. We're going to see how this plays out moving forward. See you tomorrow.